This is the most significant development in XRP Ripple Coin's history. The SEC and Ripple will meet in private in a few days, and a lot of information has already been published online. The most absurd aspect is that it appears Ripple will definitively prevail in the legal battle. Don't you think that seems crazy? The most intriguing aspect, however, is that experts predict that following the meeting, the price of XRP Ripple could rise to $800 or possibly higher. Quite awesome, isn't it? Let's work things out gradually. Let's get right to the point without further ado. Disclaimer: intense anticipation has been generated in the XRP community by the impending SEC meeting on April 3rd, with some analysts speculating that it would serve as the impetus for a long-awaited bullish reversal. With discussions on enforcement issues, legal actions, and administrative procedures on the schedule, this meeting's closed-door format has only increased interest, subjects that might have an immediate effect on Ripple in its current regulatory path. The possibility of approving an XRP spot ETF is one particularly intriguing hypothesis circulating. Investors can have exposure to an asset without really owning it thanks to exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Imagine being able to own a piece of pizza without having to purchase the entire thing. The approval of an XRP spot ETF would allow institutional investors to access XRP in a controlled way, bringing new money into the market and increasing liquidity. Similar to what happened with Bitcoin when its ETF was approved, this would be a significant step in establishing XRP as an institutional-grade asset. In a recent tweet, well-known cryptocurrency analyst TACX encapsulated the feeling. In the US, where regulatory uncertainty has long been a barrier to Ripple's growth, XRP's market position might be greatly improved if the SEC indicates any openness to such an ETF. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, has been outspoken about the company's intentions to move forward, particularly now that the legal dispute with the SEC is mostly resolved. Now that the SEC case is over, we're prepared to unleash enormous growth in the U.S. market, he said. The notion that Ripple is getting ready for a new chapter is supported by this comment, one in which it may vigorously seek wider market penetration, regulatory certainty, and institutional collaboration. Paul Atkins, a former SEC commissioner and Trump's choice for SEC chairman, has promised to create a robust regulatory framework for digital assets, which, Sienna noted in a tweet, adding to the confidence. This suggests that the SEC may change its strategy, which might benefit XRP by giving it the same level of regulatory clarity granted to Bitcoin and Ethereum. The April 3rd meeting is an important event for XRP, even though nothing is finalized. XRP may rise in response to any favorable regulatory developments, such as the adoption of ETFs, loosened limitations on institutional sales, or increased recognition of Ripple's compliance initiatives. As traders and investors anxiously await signs that could influence the future, all eyes are still on the SEC for the time being. Among the most robust assets in cryptocurrency. Fascinating, huh? However, that is only the beginning. The future may fundamentally alter the situation for XRP and its investors. A significant change is anticipated by experts, one that might rock the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Wait until you hear what's coming up if you thought XRP's previous increases were remarkable. Accordingly, some suggest $5 is within reach, while others assert $100. The most bullish, however, predict a staggering $1,000 per XRP. Do these predictions have any merit, or are they merely hype? Let's dissect it. With traders reporting spikes and an uptick in whale activity, XRP is already exhibiting breakout symptoms. Steph assertively stated, "XRP is pumping," whereas XRP Whale tweeted, "Although these claims may sound over the top, they represent a growing sentiment in the cryptocurrency community. There's a major thing coming. The growing significance of Ripple in the global financial system is one of the main causes of this optimism. By collaborating with significant institutions to transform cross-border money transfers, the firm has cemented its position as a leader in cross-border payments." B2BinPay CEO Arthur Azizoff is optimistic about XRP and believes it will reach $5 to $7 by the middle of 2025. Driven by stronger banking linkages and Ripple's post-election surge, Hania Bouagla, an analyst at XTB, sees a far larger range, predicting that XRP may trade anywhere from $5 to $100 based on acceptance and regulatory changes. Ryan Lee of BitKit Research has a more conservative approach, forecasting that XRP will hover between $1.80 and $8.40, but he admits that adoption and advantageous legislation may cause it to surpass $10. The most optimistic prediction, however, comes from Oliver Michael, CEO of Tocantis Investment AG, who claims that XRP may soar by more than 2,000%, as it has in earlier market cycles, making a run over $10 completely feasible. The founder of Alpha Lines Academy, Ido Farina, believes that XRP will be the future Bitcoin. He cautions that early Bitcoin investors initially scoffed at the prospect of Bitcoin surpassing $100,000 before regretting their $500 sale. $20 might be the beginning for XRP if it continues on a similar track. But Matthew Brennan, COO of Crypto Charged, has the most astounding prediction. He argues that XRP may hit $100 to $1,000 in the next 5 to 10 years. His logic? Because of its speed, efficiency, and growing use in remittance services, XRP may reach previously unheard-of levels of value. Some people think that XRP's days of trading below the dollar are coming to an end because of all these optimistic forecasts. XRP won't ever fall below $1 again, Levi tweeted with assurance. Institutions may construct a price floor that alters the game forever if they start hoarding significant amounts of XRP for liquidity reasons. Additionally, those who had doubts about XRP may come to regret not investing sooner when it starts to rise. Anemonics encapsulated it well. They'll refer to you as fortunate. Is it luck, though? Or simply spotting a chance before everyone else does? A few XRP community members have already set their sights on $100 per XRP. Excited about XRP and hoping to reach $100, Brett tweeted, a call to the entire XRP community. Is anyone prepared to become a future XRP millionaire? Even if $100 might seem unrealistic now, keep in mind that Bitcoin was once questioned when it was less than $1,000. The possible introduction of an XRP ETF is one element that might cause XRP to move towards these high price thresholds. Institutional investors may obtain exposure to XRP through a spot ETF without actually purchasing and keeping the asset, which would boost demand and liquidity. ETFs have already contributed to the ascent of Bitcoin, and XRP may see a similar price spike if they do the same. Crazy? But don't worry, this is only the beginning. We haven't even discussed the most recent collaborations with XRP. Ripple, they're a game changer, I assure you. You won't want to miss these partnerships' powerful bullish signs, which have the potential to propel XRP to unprecedented heights. The world is about to be overtaken by Ripple. Thus, the collaboration between Ripple and Chipper Cash is yet another significant development in Ripple's continuous effort to transform the financial industry. Additionally, you won't want to ignore it. In Africa, where digital payments and mobile money have grown rapidly in recent years, this partnership seeks to improve cross-border payment options across the continent. Africa is seen by many as one of the most promising regions for financial inclusion. Digital and mobile money services are increasing, but traditional banking has had trouble keeping up with the demands of the continent's enormous unbanked population. However, the game is going to undergo an even more significant transformation with the introduction of Ripple Pay. Chipper Cash users will be able to conduct cryptocurrency transactions more quickly and affordably using Ripple Pay. This integration will be powered by Ripple's blockchain technology, allowing for quick and inexpensive cross-border payments. Remittances, a crucial source of income for many African households, are especially affected by this. Present-day international money transfer services can have exorbitant costs and protracted wait times. By doing away with the need for middlemen, Ripple's collaboration with Chipper Cash drastically reduces transaction costs and guarantees quicker processing times. For companies, people, and communities who depend on these payments, this is a major victory. There are significant ramifications for XRP.